In this video, I'm going to show you how to use 1xBet bonus amount in Telugu. It will be very easy to do. Come now and click on registration, where you will come and click on the registration by email. Now you will enter all your informations and come to the code of country, where you will just select the country India, whereby you will click on it now, which will help you just because of its language picking there, which is Telugu. Now by putting all your information, come to promo code and now click BOTV, which will help you to get 100% of bonus at your first deposit, as by putting an amount of $10, for example, you will obtain $30. Everything set, click now on register, and now you will come on menu, where you will come just on 1x games to see the bonuses. Now by clicking on bonus, you will choose now bonus games to play, like Lucky Wheel here, which will be free, jackpot, daily tournaments. By gaming and obtaining wins, you will see that your electronic wallet will be now full of some money which will be given. By coming also to casino, where you will see other categories like tournaments or casino tournaments, promo, by gaming it freely and by winning, you will see that particular amount will be given to you. Even though maybe it's small or big, it will help you so as to bet in the popular games, like for example basketball, tennis, football and all the rest, and it is as easy as that.